Have you ever encountered the status_breakpoint error while trying to access your favorite websites on Google Chrome? It can be frustrating not knowing what's causing the error or how to fix it. Fortunately, there are a few potential solutions to try. In this video, we'll guide you through some possible ways to fix the status_breakpoint error in Google Chrome on your PC. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. A simple and basic solution to try when encountering a status_breakpoint error is to refresh the page. Sometimes the error could be due to a temporary page loading issue, and refreshing the page can resolve it. You can do this by clicking the refresh button on the Chrome toolbar or simply pressing the F5 key on your keyboard to refresh the page. Give it a try and see if the error disappears. If refreshing the page doesn't fix the status_breakpoint error in Google Chrome, try restarting your computer. Restarting your computer can clear cache and temporary files that may be causing issues with the browser. To restart your Windows computer, simply right-click the Start button and select Restart. Give it a go and see if the error is resolved. Sometimes the cache on your browsers might also break the websites and result in errors. Cache and site data are stored on your PC to load websites faster than they originally do with the multiple visits. Try clearing the browser cache and check if this fixes the problem. To clear Google Chrome cache, click the menu button in the top right corner. Click on More Tools, then on Clear Browsing Data. Under Time Range, select All Time, then make sure there is a check mark on cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Click the Clear Data button. If your version of Chrome is outdated, it can cause problems with a page loading that result in a status breakpoint error. You'll need to make sure that your browser is up to date next. Click the menu button in the top right corner and select Help, then On About Google Chrome. Wait while any available updates download and install. To complete the update process, click the Relaunch button. Thank you for watching our content and supporting our channel. We appreciate your time and interest in what we have to offer. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos and contents.